Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add padding separators in a WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the edit site option. Here in the edit side option you will get the option of plus icon in the top navigation bar. Here you can see the blue mark plus icon, simply click on it. After that here you will get a lot of searching option, and from here you have to simply search in the cover option. From here you can see you have already typed in the cover option, and you have to just simply put it to the website, and after that you can just simply upload your cover. And then here we can see you have already uploaded a cover. Now if you would like to go for the separator, then what you need to do is simply type in the separator in the same search bar and simply click on it, and after that here you can see that the text is already being separated. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.